So Greg, what made you choose this site in Redland Bay?
Oh, we're pretty excited about it. We did a fair bit of research on it, and there's been good population increases. The interesting part about that is that over 50% of the population are maturing age people, and they're becoming empty nesters, interested in looking at the sort of product that site's got. And that is that what's really interesting about that development approval is that the majority of those units have two-car accommodation and the main bedroom's on the ground floor, and that's something that's not around much, and it's really exciting because as the people get older they don't want to be trooping up and down the stair all the time, and from our perspective, if we've then got a good marketable product in terms of the end product for the investors in the trust, it means that we've mitigated one of the areas of risk.
They'll be in a good affordable range, won't they?
Oh, absolutely, and you know, that's one of the attractions of Redlands to the people we're talking about, and the lifestyle, the weather, the bay's right here, everything you need is here.
Why would women in particular be interested in this sort of project?
There's a need for women to look at getting higher returns for their money that they've invested, and also for the community to have women investing in things, because across the world when women invest it benefits the whole community, not just the investor. There are all kinds of things about women's lives that mean that they need to get a better return for their money than compared to men, because of the superannuation. They don't make as much because of their work styles. They don't get paid as much. They generally tend to be in lower paid jobs. A lot of factors mean that it makes sense for women to be able to access the types of returns that you can get through development. Development's also, you know, it's something you can touch. It's going to provide a home for someone. It's interesting in that regard. It's not something that's completely disconnected from your values and what you care about. So for that reason, development is a great vehicle for women to be able to improve their financial system and take care of themselves, because when they can take care of themselves, then they can take care of their community and their family, and which is what most women want to do.
So this is one of a number of projects that you're looking at?
Yes, and we've got some which we're saying are mainstream, which are like this one, which is it's a very comfortable, safe, standard. There's nothing out of the box about it. It's just a good, solid return. So that's for people who, you know, are maybe just testing the water in investment, or people who are just interested in that. We've got some others that we're looking at where we're trying to have a more altruistic or more creative approach to better living, including involving, you know, having a more community-focused approach, and ones where the ability to contribute philanthropically is built into the project. With this one, any investor has the opportunity to allocate some of their return to a project or a cause that they care about, and that's across all of our projects, where really our focus is in empowering the people who need access to the bigger returns, whether that's women or other people, to be able to become financially independent and free, and have the confidence to say, you know, oh, I can do this. And then on the other side of it is to say, you know, there's better ways to fund the things that really matter and that we care about, like the things that currently rely on donation. We can actually, for example, with a development project or a house, let's say, when it's finished it generates a return that can fund a cause rather than everyone continually having to come out of their own pockets for donations. So they're the two aims of what we're trying to do.
Well, sounds like some exciting visions that you both have, and we wish you all the very best, and thank you very much for your time today.
Thanks.